Umagang kay ganda. Naku, eto po kamaya-maya lamang po, Noche Buena na. Hindi ba bukod sa paglaki ng ating mga bilbil, kailangan din naman po nating alagaan ang ating kalusugan kahit maraming handaan para sa ating healthy Noche Buena. Kasama po natin mula po sa, kasama natin si Chef Gilbert Santa Cruz and his wife Daisy. Umagang kay ganda. Merry Christmas!
Umagang kay ganda sa'yo, Tito Willie. Merry Christmas.
Okay, may, syempre, healthy ang salad.
Yes,
diba?
healthy,
Anong
very
klaseng
healthy.
salad dito?
This is our version of Caesar salad. To make it even healthier, we use low-fat yogurt.
Ay, wala na itong mga eggs.
So wala ng eggs yan.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we'll add anchovies.
Anchovies. Konting-konti lang
Yeah,
pala, no?
Dijon mustard, lemon juice,
Lemon juice,
garlic.
garlic. Of course, we have our seasoning na
Yes,
salt and
pepper.
Okay, so I'll put na the crouton. Sige,
Yes.
chef, ayusin mo yan. So, ang yogurt talaga, very healthy.
Very
And
healthy.
parang feeling ko it balances the bacon in the salad,
Yeah,
right?
saka probiotic pa siya, good for the stomach.
Ayun.
So-
Mas maganda sa digestion. And, of course, inaayos ni Chef Gilbert yan. Ito na ang ating finished product, ang ating Caesar salad
Salad.
with yogurt dressing, yogurt-based dressing. At, of course, as entree, meron tayong pasta rito, Chef.
Yes.
Ano? This is called?
Anchovies and tuna, fusilli, yeah.
Okay, so eto na
So,
tayo.
this is what
Inayos
we do.
mo na yung ating
We have the sauce here.
Alright.
We're going to put the anchovies.
Healthy din ba ang anchovy?
Yes, but ang ginagawa naman namin, just to add flavor, hindi naman masyadong marami.
Ayun.
So,
Kasi very strong din naman ang flavor ng
Mm.
anchovies. Konti lamang, okay na. So,
And
habang
then-
ginagawa ni and then the tuna, ni
The
Chef
tuna.
Gilbert ang ating fusilli with tuna and anchovies, eto po namang isa pang pinrepare ni Chef Gilbert ay embutido. Pero imbis na baboy, ito, gumamit po siya ng purely chicken meat. Chicken breast po yan. Lahat all-natural ang ingredients. Meron lang konting disadvantage pagka gumagawa tayo ng all-natural gumagamit tayo ng all-natural ingredients. Medyo mas madali siyang masira. Kaya kailangan mas madaling kainin, mas madaling maubos. But if you put it in the freezer, mas tatagal po yan. For about a month, sabi ni Chef Gilbert. At for dessert, meron tayong oatmeal chocolate bar. The oatmeal, the fiber in the oatmeal balances the chocolate and the sugar used in this dessert. And we're all ready. Thank you so much. Chef, saan ba tayo makikita?
Our shop is located in near the main library of UP Diliman.
Very good.
Yes,
We'll go come and visit. For
Thank you.
reservations and other information,
They can contact us at 0915-937-0839.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Chef Gilbert, Daisy, Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Maraming salamat. Ako, alam po ninyo, bukod sa mga pagkain na inihanda sa atin ni Chef Gilbert, napakarami pa rin po ng pagkain natin dito. We have the drinks from June and JR. Meron tayong mga masasarap na bangus, delicacies and bangus na recipes mula naman po sa Anjo Farms. Meron din po tayong iba't ibang klase mga gourmet recipes gamit ang bangus. Meron tayong bibingkinitan para syempre Pasko, diba? At syempre yung pixies kanina, pixies sinugba. Yung kaninang pinakita ko. Meron din tayong minute burger. Meron tayong Happy House Donuts. Waffle Time is here. The rest of the year, Waffle Time has been with us. We have the cream all coffee drink. Tama po ba ako? At ako, syempre, kahit nagkakaubusan ng lechon, meron pa rin kaming lechon mula sa Lydia's Lechon. At syempre, pinamimigay natin sa ating mga games ang Kingsway Ham. At meron pa rin po tayong healthy recipes courtesy of Ideal Gourmet Pasta. Kasama natin si Chef Michael Bautista at saka si Ai. Chef Michael, meron ka i-demo for us.
Umagang kay ganda.
Umagang kay ganda. Sige po.
Ano ngayon, share ko lang sa inyo, yung easy way ng paggawa lang ng salad na pwede natin ihalo.
Sa salad
Yeah.
ito. Okay.
But under siya ng Ideal Gourmet Pasta.
Bakit siya naging healthy?
Yeah. You know, pag it's naging healthy, but it's rich in fiber.
Fiber.
And then low in fat.
Oh, low in fat.
Yeah.
Of
Because
course.
of the room,
Durum.
with semolina.
Ah, because of the?
The room.
Durum.
Durong
Yeah.
salmonella.
Yeah.
Okay, at saka saan mapapakita pa yung iba pa nating mga recipes because
Yes.
aside from the the pasta salad,
The shrimp.
meron tayong
Iba-ibang pasta
Iba-ibang
dishes na
shape.
ginawa ko.
Like?
we have
Pene.
penne, aloha.
Mm-mm.
We have bell pepper carbonara, using spaghetti.
Mm-mm.
And then we have pasta with salad.
Ayun, ako mukhang ang sasarap. Saan mo ba matitikman itong mga recipes
Well,
na
actually,
ito?
itong recipe na to, especially to for Ideal Gourmet for ABS-CBN.
Oy, for umagang kay
Yes,
ganda. Maraming
yes.
salamat, Chef
So,
Mikey.
makibibili naman to itong ating mga Ideal Gourmet pasta sa mga leading supermarket.
Leading supermarket.
You can contact us at 282-6666 and 283-3333 or you can email us at mktg@idealmacaroni.com for more
Ayun.
inquiries and information.
Very good. Maraming salamat, Ahi. Thank you, Chef
Thank you very
Mikey,
much.
for the wonderful food. Naku, di ba? Ang bonggang party. Kaya narito naman ang bonggang makeover. Delikado natin. Oh, ha?
Magandang model ba ng kotse?
Sexy naman. Ganda ng kotse.